Okay, let's continue now. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, don't off lah. Hang on ya. Let me go to the next. Kalau mana nak stay kat sini, you ada orang. Okay. Okay, so we're doing this vocab MCQ. Okay, hang on. Okay, you guys are all back here. Okay, sorry, the screen was. Let me share back the screen. Yeah. You want to pull the table? Oh, mom. Hang on, yeah. Sorry, guys. I just want to check. Were you able to see the question that I shared just now? You must type in your answer in the chat. Okay, let me just reshare my screen again. Okay, the answer is A. Stand up. The rest of you, can you put in your answers in the chat? Okay, A. All right. So let me see here. We need to find the contextual clues for this. So it takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to our enemies, but just as much to stand up for our friends. Actually, the answer is already here. Hey, wait, hang on. Answer is already here, but what is the clue that you know is stand up to our enemies? How you know is stand up? Guys, you can just unmute yourself, okay? I will need you to just participate more. How you know is stand up? Answer is A, you're right. What's the clue? Bravery also. Okay, guys, I need you guys to unmute yourself when I ask questions and then just answer them. Okay, because this class is smaller, so it's easier. We all can talk more. Okay. What is this? Okay, never mind. That was the first question. Let's look at the next question. Okay, can you guys type in your answer in the chat? I think we have to go and get the table soon. Apa? No, the table that you mentioned. That'd be nice. That I will be hanging out here more. What does foreboding means? Foreboding is like you know what is going to happen. Like a prediction. Okay, so, oops. Just now somebody asked me this. You can write the meaning inside your page, inside your vocab book. It's like a prediction. Vulnerable. Okay, you guys, I rather you just unmute yourself then instead of typing in the chat. No, I cannot see. Okay, now I need all of you to write the meaning of these words. Okay, write the meaning of these words somewhere first in your book because you will need to write this in the portal later. So for now, write the meanings of these words. I will chat with you again later on, so whether you remember. Okay, 1 minute, write in all your answers. Write in all the words here. Then type in your answers in the chat. So what would your answer be? D. Yes, correct. The answer is D for this one. But remember to write in the all these 4 words and the meaning. I will check with you guys later. This one I need to check. So are you all done taking note of this before I continue to the next slide? Okay. I think all of you are done. Remember, I need all these 4 words and the meaning later on. Now we continue to the next question. Read this question and try put in the chat your answers. You might need the meanings also. Okay, I write the meanings here. Please write the words and the meanings. Okay, write the words and the meanings first. So this would be your other four. So until here, all these that you need to write, you have 8 words so far. So write this down in your book somewhere first. Later you need to add to the vocabulary tab. You guys type in your answers. This should be B, crunch, count on. When so there's problems or anything. Okay, in fact, you can actually say this as problems. Hang on, or even problems. Should be B. Yeah, correct. Okay, then next slide. Okay, this one also. We will add to the vocabulary. Hang on. Wait. No, hang on. Wait, I think I moved to the next one. Okay, hang on. Okay, wait. I was at question number 2. But wait, question number 3 is done, then question number 4. Okay, so sorry. Okay, wait, yeah. Okay, wait. We do question 4 first. Question 4 first. Write the meaning of the words that I'm writing here as well.